everyone, welcome to this video with me Shakti Narayan. I am a student of class 10th of RPVV INA Colony. I made this video for those students who are unable to attend online classes due to some problems. Many students have a lot of trouble during this COVID-19 period. This is a little help for all of them from me. Today we talk about visual merchandising. Visual merchandising is the art of displaying merchandise or displayed in order to make it appealing to walk in buy the products. Before we start this module, I would like to ask you a question. How many times have you walked past by a store only to get really excited about seeing what is their mannequin is wearing? To come inside the store and actually buy that product? This is what? Visual merchandising. Visual merchandising is the art of displaying merchandise to attract customers and increase sales. It includes several aspects such as the flooring and lighting used in this store, the color coordination in this store, uniform of this staff, the way in which the staff interacts with the customer, and the design of the trial room. In short, everything creates an image in the mind of the customer about the store. Now, the principle of visual merchandising are: make it easier for the customer to locate the desired category and merchandise. Make it easier for the customer to self-select. Make it possible for the shopper to coordinate an accessories, recommend, highlight and demonstrate product particulars at strategic location. Educate the customer about the product in an effective and creative way. Make proper arrangements in such a way to increase the sales of unsold goods. There are two types of visual merchandising. First is window displays. Window displays can communicate style, content and price. Display window may also be used to advertise seasonal sales or inform passers-by other current promotions. Second is food merchandising. Restaurants, grocery stores and convenience stores use visual merchandising as a tool to differentiate themselves in a saturated market. Now, when we do merchandising, we have to make a planogram. What is planogram? Planogram is a predetermined computer-generated plan for displaying merchandise on the shelves of a supermarket, normally fine-tuned for each store. The main input for a high-quality planogram are sales data, based on which individual products are allocated relevant places on the shelves to allow the customer to find required items in their usual places. The primary goal is to optimization of space available for the products. Now our last topic is visual merchandising process. Now first is product selection. Second is identify target customer. Third is select location of store. Fourth is design layout. Fifth is plan for promotional activities. Sixth is create visualization. Seventh is attract customer. Eighth, introduce to buy. Ninth, select the product. And 10th, which is the most important, satisfy the customer. I hope you all understand what I told you today. Now basic is visual merchandising is being considered as an investment, not as an expense. Thank you.